And it's an extreme race. I'm out of fuel. 30 speed car for Luigi and 97 speed cars for Marcus. Let's race. Who's going to be the fastest?
Watch me go.
So who's going to be the fastest, everyone? Here we go. Got it.
Says I have never raced before. Here we go.
And Todd Marcus is the fastest.
Wait, no, I wasn't checking my tires, no.
When you don't get succeed, try again.